Okay, so Reactiv is not only good for showing dashboards and content, but it's also fantastic for hybrid and remote meetings where you're bringing in meeting participants. So right now, I've got a Cisco box here. I'm actually going to go ahead and ask to join. My remote team is going to go ahead and join. So under devices, under devices, I actually have the remote team right there. So I'm going to go ahead and arrange this. So there we go. We've got our remote team in a different conference room. I'm going to take that and throw it over to the other video wall. So now not only can I actually share data and interact with data, but I can also bring in remote participants. So now he's actually going to be using a whiteboard, and we have the ability to bring that entire whiteboard into this room, and I can now see. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and interact on that whiteboard. So in a remote office, not only do we have the Cisco integration that's bringing in video feed and audience monitor, but we're also bringing in the screen share of how he's interacting right into this display wall in a network operations environment.